Good morning, class third. Today we will play a quiz on chapter 4, that is playing is fun. So students, I hope that you have completed chapter 5 in your copy. This chapter of you over now. So, in quiz, if you have read this chapter well, then you will give correct answer of all the questions of this quiz. And if you read this chapter not perfectly, then you will not able to give right answer of the questions of this quiz. So students, play it carefully, watch each question very carefully. If more than 4 of your answer are wrong, that it's mean you have to read this chapter again. This quiz has multiple choice questions in which there are 4 options in each question, in which you have to choose one option as your right answer. Is that clear, students? So here you can see question number first. An example of indoor game is, so football is an example of indoor game. Cricket is an example of indoor game. Ludo is an example of indoor game, or basketball is an example of indoor game. Have you chosen your answer? Should I tell you the right answer of question 1? So the right answer of question 1 is Ludo. Ludo is a game which we can play inside the house. So that's called indoor game. Now the question 2. An example of outdoor game is, so you have to tell an example of outdoor game which can be Ludo, cricket, carom or chess. So you have to choose only one from these options. Have you chosen your right answer? So here I am going to tell you the right answer of question 2, which is cricket. Cricket is an example of outdoor games. Now we are moving to question 3. Here you all can see question 3. An example of team games is, so here you have to tell an example of team games which can be carom, chess, cricket, cycling. So you have to choose only one from these options. Did you choose your answer? So here I am going to tell you the right answer of question 3, which is cricket. We need a team to play cricket. Now question 4. Playing games is a good dash for the body and mind. So here you have to guess which word can be filled in this dash line. Fun, think, thought, exercise. Did you choose your answer? Should I tell you the right answer? So the right answer of question 4 is playing game is a good exercise for the body and mind. Is it your right answer, students? Now we are moving to question 5. The game that was played in the past: gilli danda, cricket, ludo, chess. So you have to choose a game that was played in the past? Is it gilli danda, cricket, ludo or chess? Have you choose your right answer? Should I tell you the right answer? So the right answer of question 5th is gilli danda. I know that you all know. So is it your right answer? Now we are moving to question 6. Some people earn money by playing A. Game, B. Kho-Kho, C. Sport, D. 7 tiles. So here you have to choose only one as the answer of question 6. Have you all chosen the correct answer for question 6? Some people earn money by playing game, Kho-Kho, sport or 7 tiles. So now I am going to tell the right answer of question 6, which is sport. Some people earn money by playing sport. Is that clear, students? Now we are going to move question 7. An example of adventure sports is, so here you have to choose an option which should be example of adventure sports. So it should be scuba diving or gilli danda or ludo or table tennis. Have you chosen your answer from these options? Should I tell you the right answer? So here I am going to tell you the right answer of question 7, which is scuba diving. Scuba diving is an example of adventurous sport. So students, it ends here. How many answers did you corrected? Tell me honestly in comments or in your group. So that's all for today, students. In the next class we will start a new chapter. So thank you, class.